Freezing your credit with Experian helps protect your social security number from being used to open fraudulent accounts. The process can be confusing, but here's the easiest way to do it, completely free. First, go to the Experian Credit Freeze page. Do not use their mobile app, it doesn't give access to the free freeze option. Instead, use a web browser on your phone or computer. Create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you may land on a page trying to sell you a paid membership. Ignore that. Scroll to the bottom and click No, Keep My Current Membership. This should take you directly to the Security Freeze page. There, you'll see a large toggle or button in the center that allows you to freeze your credit instantly. You can also unfreeze it, or schedule a temporary thaw if needed, like when applying for credit. Bookmark this page for future access, since Experian's mobile app doesn't support the free freeze feature. That's it, your social security number is now protected from unauthorized use through Experian. Thanks for watching.